Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Lenovo Legion 5 15.6-inch gaming laptop. You can tell that this is one of the famous Legion logos. This is part of the Legion series from Lenovo, which is a very popular gaming laptop series. Let's quickly take a look at what other information is there on the box, which well, there is not much actually. Okay, actually there's more than that. Let me just take a quick look. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah. This particular laptop has AMD Ryzen 5 4600H 3 GHz processor, has a RAM of 8 GB, has a storage of 1 TB HDD and 256 GB SSD, which is great, and also has NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card. Now let's open the box and take a look at its contents. Here we are. This is what the interior looks like. This is very much Lenovo Legion boxing. We have seen this before. And this is the laptop. I'm going to put this on one side and take a look at what other things are there in the box first. So this is the charger. There you go. This is your 170-watt charger. Put this here. This is the other charging cable. We have some documents here. This is the safety and warranty guide. This is your setup guide. And what is this? This is a thank you note from Lenovo. I'll leave this here as well. We also have one restriction of distribution note from Windows 10. So this is what the Lenovo Legion 5 15.6-inch gaming laptop with AMD Ryzen 5 4600H processor and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card looks like. This is an obvious gaming inspired design. You can see the Legion logo right over here. This is like I said earlier, this is part of the very popular Lenovo Legion series, the gaming laptop series. This has a particular form factor, gaming inspired, but also super sturdy. I mean, this is a very sturdy laptop. You can see there's a vent on this side, and this is a USB-A port and a 3.5mm port. There are some extra ports on the back side. You will see the LAN port, the USB-C connector, two USB-A connectors, and the HDMI port. There's an LED indicator for your power, etc., for your power and battery, and there's a USB-A port on this side as well. Let's take a look what the laptop actually looks like. Here we are. Let's try to turn this on. Where's the power button? This is the power button. Yeah, and it's on. You can see this is RGB backlit keyboard and has a numpad as well, which is great. I think there's some information here. As mentioned earlier, this particular laptop runs on AMD Ryzen 5 4000 series and has AMD Radeon graphics. It supports AMD Radeon graphics, internal graphics card, but right now it's running on GeForce GTX 1650. And this is what you find inside the box containing the Lenovo Legion 5 15.6-inch gaming laptop with AMD Ryzen 5 4600H processor and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card. Thank you for watching.